Hi, welcome to Elemental Hardware Enrichment. My name's Natalie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build the Tic Tac Toe. The first step we're going to do is go over the supplies that we need to build this project. I have here a hardware tray, a damp rag, wood glue, a sanding block and sandpaper, and safety glasses. I'm going to go ahead and put these on. And the only tool we're going to need to build this project is a wooden mallet, or if you're comfortable, you can use a hammer as well. The next step we're going to do is open up this box and see the parts inside. I'm going to use the edge of my sanding block to open up the tape and open the box. Okay, now that our box is open, we're going to take out our packing paper. And inside our box we have 5 X's, 5 O's, our base, and our hardware. In our hardware bag, we have 9 3/4-inch dowels and 2 1/4-inch dowels. The next step is going to be to sand all of our pieces. So I'm going to take my sanding block and sandpaper and wrap it around just like this and begin sanding all of my wood pieces. Now I'm going to remove my sandpaper from my sanding block so I can sand off all the hard to reach places. I'm going to take my damp rag and dust off all of the dust on my wooden pieces. Now that I've finished sanding off my wooden parts, I'm going to go ahead and begin sanding the hardware. The next step is to bevel our dowels so they can easily fit on the base. We're going to open up our hardware and dump our 3/4-inch dowels into the tray. To bevel the edge, we're going to hold our sanding block at a 45-degree angle, grab one of your dowels, and on either side, we're going to rub up against the sandpaper up and down while rotating so that it's evenly beveled on all sides. Once you've beveled one edge, we're going to set it down and begin beveling all the other dowels. Now that we've finished beveling our dowels, we can begin building our project. To build this project, we're going to set each one of our dowels into the 3/4-inch holes on our base. I'm going to grab one of my dowels and open up my glue and spread glue evenly around the edge that we beveled. I'm going to take my finger and spread that evenly, and then wipe it on my damp rag. And I'm going to hold it over one of the holes on our base. Make sure that it's straight. And I'm going to hold it with my offhand and use my mallet to lightly tap down until it's set in place. I'm going to continue with that step with all of the dowels until they're all set on our base. Now that my dowels are set in place, I'm going to grab my damp rag and wipe up all the excess glue. Okay, now that I've wiped up the glue, I'm going to take some time to plan a design and decorate my project. Alright, so we finished decorating our Tic Tac Toe. I went with a nice floral theme. And now you can play Tic Tac Toe with your friends. You can use the 1/4-inch dowels to keep score and enjoy your Tic Tac Toe. Thank you so much for stopping by with Elemental Hardware Enrichment. My name is Natalie, and we'll see you at the next one.